Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070424. So let's go quick into the process. This is just a very pretty straightforward tutorial. So first is you have to click on the start button and you have to click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to go with system. That's the second option there. And then scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Here you'll find other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So I can suggest that you need to try on running the Windows Update Troubleshooter first, because what will this do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. So I'm not just going to click mine because you might have different problems to be detected. And the best thing about this is that this will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. And then once done, just need to restart your Windows. Then go to the Windows search bar and type services. Services under the best match, go ahead and click on that. Now scroll down to the B section and you'll find this service, background intelligent transfer service. Now make a right click, select properties. Startup type, change that to automatic. Service status, you need to make sure this is running, so you have to click on the start button, click on apply and click on OK. And then scroll down to the D section, D as in dog. And here you'll find this DCOM server process launcher service. Simply make a right click, select properties. Startup tab, you need to make sure that it's automatic. And then service status, you need to click on start, click on apply and click on OK. And then scroll down to the R section. And here you'll find these two service, remote procedure call and the remote procedure call. So simply make a right click, select properties. Startup tab, you need to make sure you can change that to automatic. Service status, you need to click on start, click on apply and click on OK. Also do the same thing for the remote procedural call RPC locator. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. Service status, you need to click on start, you need to click on apply, click on OK. And then we have to scroll down to the W section. And here you'll find the service, Windows Update service. Now make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. If it is not running in your Windows, you have to click on the start button and make sure that this is running. Then you have to click on apply, click on OK, and then close out of here. And just finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, you just need to try to update your Windows again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.